Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where we're going to look at the intricacies of pronouncing these two sounds in British English. As we know, accents can affect the way these sounds are articulated. I'm Atena, and in this video I'll guide you through the common pronunciation in the UK, especially in England, and give you some valuable tips on how to master these sounds. Let's start with the t sound. Instead of pronouncing it as a dental sound, let's take a slightly different approach. At the top of our mouth, many people will pronounce this as a dental sound. So it's like t, 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 and it just touches here, behind the top teeth. But instead, we're going to pronounce it a little bit further back in the mouth. What you're going to feel and what I want you to do with your tongue with a little exercise is just feel with your tongue. Okay, you can feel your teeth. Right, now move your tongue back and you'll start to feel your mouth start to go up here. As it goes up, you'll feel some kind of lines there. That is basically your alveolar ridge, and it helps you produce certain sounds. So, what you need to do is put your tongue, imagine this is your tongue, between your teeth, and that part goes up. So you're not going to put it on the part that starts to go up, on those bumps, on these ridges. So it is around here. You just touch there. Now, by using the blade of your tongue, not the tip. This part is the tip of your tongue, and the blade of your tongue is a little higher here. And creating a block to momentarily stop the airflow. We will get a crisp sound. Practice with me as we release a gentle air and perfect this plosive sound. To reinforce your understanding, let's practice with some words. Repeat after me. Two, mat, and team. Notice the clarity in each pronunciation as we maintain proper tongue position. Now, let's move on the sound. Unlike the voiceless t sound, the sound is voiced, which means there is a vibration here. So, there is no vibration, but you can feel here, creating a vibrating sensation in the throat. I'll demonstrate how many speakers, including myself, tend to use the tip of the tongue for this sound. By placing the tip of the tongue in the same position as the t sound, we can easily produce the voice D sound. For example, dog, do, did, and dime. Congratulations on your progress so far. Remember that mastering these sounds takes practice. Focus on maintaining proper tongue placement and using appropriate airflow techniques. To enhance your learning experience, try blowing on a piece of paper to feel the air release. By incorporating these techniques, you'll improve your overall English pronunciation. 2, and do. Thank you for joining me on this pronunciation journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for future language lessons. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below.